Hey, it's Jonathan. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you good fortune. If you want to buy the bottom, sell the top, and make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe. You can share the video, comment on it, all that good stuff. It really helps out a lot. I really appreciate it. And thank you for all the new subscribers, all the messages you've sent me and all that stuff. I really do appreciate the subscription, and I like to hear your messages. So all that good stuff. Anyway, so I want to take a look at Cardano. Cardano is just basically going right to the moon. Let's look at it on a daily chart right here. So our high was 293 so far today. We've had a high of 296. I'm sorry, high of 296 so far today has been our high, and we're just taking right off. I think we still have a lot more upside to go, although it's just speculation. You see we had a high over here in the relative strength. Our second high right here on our relative strength stopped about where we are right now on our relative strength. And you see how we continue to move up higher. We had one more wave after the one that we're on, so we'll see where we're at the top here. I still have a target of $4.50, $5 is what I'm looking at. $4.50 to $5. I'd like to see it at least get there, if not higher. I know a lot of people were predicting a lot of things, 7, 8, 10. Charles Hoskinson, what do you say, 150 bucks? Oh, dude, I'm down, you know? Of course, you have to think about this. He might know something that we don't know. So, what I'm calculating in is just regular price movement, new smart contracts coming out, and things of this nature. I mean, if anybody had insider information, it would be him. He might know that there's something coming that we have not foreseen yet, that's going to make this pump. So I'm not going to joke. I'm not going to laugh and joke about it. He might know something. Let's see. I'm still going to keep it in the back of my head. On a weekly chart, the most bullish scenario that I'm looking at, really right around this $8-9 region. I'd like to see us get up to that upper band. I think we can do it. We'll just have to see. Our relative strength is fairly low. I do want to make note of this, that we've just about broken out of that descending channel on our relative strength. So our relative strength, if we can get up above this, we're just breaking back into that overbought territory. So I think we have a lot of upside left to go. A lot of room that we could still move up on that. From our first down, let's say on a weekly movement, I wouldn't want to see us go any lower than this 151 region. That would be a weekly movement. On a daily movement, I don't want to see us go any lower than this 286, right around 286 area. Let's see, what was the low right there. The low right there was, 286. Well, that was 187. I'm sorry, not 286. I'm so sorry, 187. I wouldn't want to see us go any lower than that 187 area. That's on a daily chart. I would still say that we hadn't, capitulated even above the even above the 187 area. On an hourly chart, we need to bring that relative strength back down. I'm looking at on an hourly chart right about this region here. We're looking at that. I don't want to see us go below that 280 on an hourly chart. I like to see the relative strength to come back. The higher the price moves, the more narrow the area of capitulation would be, is where we're at. So like you see on this wave here, right, the area of capitulation was was, for me, by my calculations, just by the way that I do it, by my calculations would be right here on the relative strength, right about this first dip, and that's actually where we came back and hit. You see that we have more movement here. We have a bigger move, more movement here to bring that retrace back. Now we didn't come all the way back to the oversold area, but we brought it back a considerable amount. And then on this move up, what we see is we see right there that first dip right here. So our area of capitulation on this is about 287, about that 287 area. So I want to see us stay above that, and I want to bring down this relative strength. Now let's see how we're at. Let's see if we can. We can see that there. Maybe might mean something, might not mean anything. We can see this here. We're breaking through that. I want to see us break through that. I'd like to see us get to at least back down to here on our relative strength, back down to the 5190 region on our relative strength without breaking this 277 area. If we can see that, if we could get back down to this 190, 52 area without breaking our 277 price, I think that we'll have another decent move up to the upside. Again, we're sitting at 287 on it, so this is what I'm watching here. If we break through this the 277 278 area, then I have a target probably. Let's see. My target would be probably back down to the 239 area would be our best bet. So that would be quite a drop. We might hang up here around 250 or so, but to move up with a decent move, I'd like to stay above this 277 area. We'll see what happens. Sometime it wicks down below it, and then we have a quick pull up. But this is just how we're looking right now. So we'll see. I still think we have plenty of upside on this before we have any kind of major pullback. I'd like to see us pop up and go up to this 345 area. A little retracement, come back up, pop up to that 345 area. So anyway, there we have it. That's Cardano today. Again, congratulations to everybody, all you Cardano holders. I saw a guy post in a group I was in earlier. Yeah, I'm officially a Cardano millionaire. So it's good to see that kind of stuff happening, right? So anyway. Alright, well, you all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.